Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening a box of goodies, and this box of goodies is from Ribbon and Bows ohmy.com. If you are not familiar with this website, where have you been? No, seriously, I'm going to leave a link down below in the descriptions box. I've been ordering from this website since they actually started the website, which was many years ago. We're not even going to go into how many years ago it was, because then I'm going to start feeling old. I already feel old. But anyways, it's an awesome website. They have all kinds of ribbons. They have like clips and barrettes, and they have headbands, and they have anything that a bow maker needs, and the prices are awesome. If you are, I know most of you shop at like Hobby Lobby or Walmart or locally. I'm telling you, websites are the places to go if you want to spend the least amount of money, and you get more ribbon and you get a wider selection of ribbon. So definitely go check them out. Again, link is down below. You can find them on Instagram, you can find them on Facebook. I'm excited to find out what is in the box, and I actually gave them some ideas of themes that I would like to work with, but as far as what they actually stuffed into this box, I have no idea. I love surprises, so I was like, surprise me. But again, they sent me all of these goodies. Thank you so much. We are going to be putting these goodies to good use, so you'll have to check next week. We'll make some bows or some headbands or something with all of this. But let's go ahead and dig into it, because I know that's what you really want to see. And so do I, because I haven't opened it yet. It is still sealed and everything. So let's open the box. Okay, I hope the electricity does not go out, because it just started raining cats and dogs. And if you hear rumbling, just know that's not my stomach. That is thunder. Alright, I'm trying to cover up the addresses. Let me get the box open. Oh my goodness! I'm excited. I'm excited. Alright. Okay, there's a note. Let me see. Alright. Linda, we hope you love the ribbon. We cannot wait to see all of the cuteness that comes from them. Don't forget to tag us. Looking forward to working with you. The website, which is ribbonandbowsohmy.com. So that's cute. Look at that. All right. So, oh yes, Kennedy's gonna be happy. Oh my goodness, look at this. Kitty prints, hearts. Oh my goodness, heart leopard. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. We got the kitty print. Oh my goodness, I love that. We got donuts. These are gonna be some cute bows. I almost bought donuts earlier. Look at that, donuts. And then we got softball. Look at that, hearts. And then we got, this is apple a day, and this is, all of these are 2 1/4 inch right here. The bigger width, not too big, but these are like the size that's really popular around here. But this is apple a day. I love that. I love those colors. I love the reds with the apple green and the pink. So we got that. We got these cute elephants. This would be great for like baby shower decor. Isn't that cute? And then we got, this is starfish. Look at all of the coral and the teal. That's perfect for beach vacation right there. That's awesome. We got some shells. I love the colors. These are some good colors. And then we got the red, white, and blue stars for 4th of July. And then we got some baseball. My husband is so excited that it is baseball season. I'm not much of a baseball fan. I am a football fan. But this would be great for baseball bows. Can't go wrong with dots. I love the polka dots. We got some pink and white. Oh yes, look at this. This is 3 inch. This is like a royal blue with bomb pops. That's what we call them here. Do y'all call them bomb pops? Oh my goodness, I love this. Then we got some apple green. Look, the stitch. I love that. Apple green with the white dot. Then we got the spring. This is also 2 1/4 inch. And it is like a spring pastel ombre with the moon stitch. I love that. That is pretty darn cute. Cute, cute, cute. We've got some more moon stitch. This is aqua. This is aqua. And then we have some spring gingham. Great for Easter time. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so cute, y'all. And I am so happy because I was running low on the 2 1/4 inch ribbon. Look at that. This is perfect for 4th of July. Oh yes, this was one of my favorites on their site. Llamas. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And this is 3 inch. This is really wide. 3 inch. I love that print. That's what Reagan's room is in. Llamas and cactus. Cactus. Oh yeah. Here's another one that I was really loving. The unicorn. And this is a 3 inch. This is great for like cheer bows. Oh, this is pretty. It's a multicolor, like tie-dye, 3 inch. I did tell them that I worked with the larger prints. Oh, and this is the breast cancer awareness. I'm always talking about the awareness ribbon when we do the figure 8 method. This is a 3 inch. Great. Oh yes, this looks like vacation right here. Vacation on a roll. Look at that. This is like a 7/8 inch. 7/8 inch. I love that. And then we have some more red and blues. Again, this is 7/8 inch. Be great for your spikes or a pinwheel. Love that. Here we go. Here's the cactus. Reagan's going to be happy. Maybe I'll make something for her room. Trim this. This is called, it says call cactus. Call cactus. And it is a 2 1/4 inch. Love that. Then we have some bunnies. So cute. On the pink. And it's also got dots. Ooh, this is a great spring ribbon. The flowers. Looks like watercolor prints. It's pretty. I like that. And of course I like anything with sweet treats. Look at those cupcakes. I cannot wait to make some bows. Who needs some bows? I feel some giveaways coming. Oh, I like this. What is this called? This is Coral Reef. Look at this. This would be cute with bathing suits. Look at all the colors. Got blue and green. And then we have another gingham. This one is like a, it says Valentine gingham. It's like a light pink and a dark pink. Like that. Then we got some tie-dye. That's pretty groovy. And then we have the, this is the double-sided rainbow ombre. This is 1.5 inch ribbon. It says it's double-sided. Let me look. Oh, it sure is. So y'all know when I layer my ribbons together so the white does not show, you do not have to worry about this. Look. Love that. That's awesome right there. Alright, and last but not least, we have some sprinkles. And this would actually look cute with, where are the donuts? With these donuts. With the donuts, or even the cupcake. What did I do with the cupcake? Or the cupcake. Look at that. Sprinkles. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, this has sprinkles right there, so that would look really cute. I love the donuts. This is like one of my favorites. With the llama. I don't know, I love the llama and I love the unicorn. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at all the beautiful ribbon. This is heaven. I am so excited. I don't even know which one I'm going to start with. Probably this or this. But I don't know. This is really cute with that sprinkle. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which ribbon you would like to see me work with first. And also let me know which is your favorite. And oh my goodness, I cannot decide. Kennedy's going to love that one. No, she's actually going to love this one. This is going to be her favorite. Watch, I'm going to call her in here and I'm going to ask her which one's her favorite. I'm not going to point to any of this, and just watch what she, that one right there. Watch this. Okay? All right, turn around and look at the table. Which one? Ah! Which one did you pick? Hold it up. I told you she picked the kitties. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Be sure to check out ribbonandbowsomai.com. Again, I'm going to leave their links down below. Find them on Facebook, find them on Instagram. They're everywhere. They're awesome. And leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the ribbons I should use first. I'm going to use them all, so be prepared because we're going to have another big giveaway coming soon. They are so cute, and yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. But I will see you guys in the next video.